What is the basic difference between an average student and a student who tops? Where is the difference? Hello, dear students. Today, I have a huge secret to share with you. So don't scroll before this video ends. Generally, you will understand, but that both of them end up studying for almost similar amount of hours. Not same, but similar. Yes. So, ma'am, where is the difference? I am Dr. Swarndeep and at IITN Guide, and I am the chemistry mentor, and I am here to break it down for you. Dear students, let us learn that secret. The secret is the no snooze game. What is the no snooze game, ma'am? When you get up in the morning, right? Do not snooze that ongoing alarm. Most of the students end up doing that. Just 5 more minutes, they'll snooze it. Just 5 more minutes, they'll snooze it. So the game starts, the secret starts with the no snoozing of that alarm of yours. Get up at the first alarm bell that rings. What is the second secret? It's a 5-step secret. Do not go or do not end this video before that. After the no snooze game comes your very vital, important exercise. Do that stretching, do that little dance, do that yoga, whatever you like, students. Do whatever suits you to get your body energized. It just has to be for a small amount of interval. Just a 20-minute walk, run, yoga, dance, anything stretching would do. What is the third step, students? The third step is to visualize the goal, visualize the day, visualize the goal of the day, the goal of the week, especially the goal of the day. When you've got up in the morning, visualize that goal of yours. What am I supposed to do in the entire day? Now, after visualizing it, put it down on that piece of paper. Make that full study marathon guide. It should take you only 15 minutes to do that, not more than that, students. It sets in the right kind of momentum for the entire day. Take small breaks in between. Maybe take power naps also. Sit and talk with your parents and siblings or talk with your friends during that time. It lightens the burden, students. And let me tell you, the biggest stress busters are not far away. They are the mentors at IITN Guide. They are your parents. They are those mischievous siblings. Yes, students, you heard that right. Those siblings, those mentors, those parents. These are the people who will lead you to that success point. They are the stress busters during the day. Talk to them. Take out your heart to them. Just that simple. And the final thing, students, after you have done that, after you have done these 4 small secrets, but they are the big keys to the success. After visualizing the goal, after setting in the momentum, set that momentum right by studying for that marathon 6 to 8 hours. Take small breaks, stay hydrated, stay focused. And one last point before you go away, students. Put that phone away. Put that phone away while you are in that study marathon. Do not have any distraction around you when you are studying. It should be a no distraction zone. So I hope these 5 success mantras are going to get you through to your goal of getting into the best premier institute. Join us here in your journey at IITN Guide for the best results. All the best, students.